So she got this kit off of Amazon. It's a waxing kit. Femiro? However you pronounce that. Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and review this. So yeah, it's coming with a couple different pieces to this wax warmer. These waxes and these sticks.
The only thing that I guess we should have ordered too was like the before and after cleansing and like relieving creams and oils. Not like.
Can we just use regular lotion?
Yeah, I guess so. Let's find something to put the wax sticks on. Maybe bring the garbage over here.
Can we use this whole packet?
Yeah. It's okay if like to leave the wax in there.
Well, we have to wait for this wax to heat up. I've never gotten wax in my life.
Guys would wax like their eyebrows or, you know, some parts of their face. Guys do that at their barber. Their barber does that.
Yeah, I think so.
Their eyebrows done or something. We could do that too.
I've never experienced.
When I was in beauty school, we did wax, but we used like soft wax, not hard wax. So we used it with like cloth or paper or whatever.
And this shit's already starting to melt.
The actual strips, and this is just regular hard wax where you don't need cloth or paper. You just put it on, let it cool, and it can rip off.
Smells like ass.
Is it hot?
No, it feels good. That wasn't that bad.
Yeah, I'm not really showing the strip because it's light hair. So you need to flip this camera around. You can't even tell. It was like right here. We're gonna just try right here in this middle.
Ooh, it hurts. It hurts. Ready? Yeah, go ahead. 3. Oh, shit. God damn it.
I didn't have a good enough pool, I'm sorry.
God damn you, bro.
Oh, look at that. Can you see it? Maybe we should have did like the pink so you could see it against the pink. I don't know why I thought you would see it more against the black. Wow, that did a good job though. That like pulled it off nice and cleanly.
Kind of hurt. It's red.
Shut up, it's pink.
I don't know why.
Let's do it together.
I don't know why I have these ideas. Just get it. God. Shit.
You got little bumps.
Where?
Don't freak out. It's just probably because you're nervous.
What?
Move.
Because I'm nervous.
Move. Let me see. Got a little blood. That's okay. Can you move your head so I could get it in the video? Move your head. Oh, they look horrible.
Try sleeping with that.
My hair is soft anyways. It's not like a freaking cactus. But no, don't pull it out this way.
I know, pull it straight up. 3.
Like there. But I mean, you can obviously see the clear difference. You can't really see on the wax. So, one thing I do want to say is that the packages that they give you are pretty small. If you look in here, you can see the bottom of the wax melter. So this really isn't a lot of wax per bag that they gave you. So I mean, depending on how much you're gonna wax, you're gonna need a lot more wax than what they gave. So basically you're gonna go through it really fast.
Angle in it?
Yes!
Mommy, you're saying. Shh. Please, both.
Come on!
Oh
my god.
Hold on.
Don't pull it slowly. What are you doing? Pull it
this
fast.
All right, here we go.
Do that next. Whatever.
All right, here.
Why are you doing that? Jeez. What do you want? Together.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
We're waxing her legs.
I mean, you don't need to see me finish my whole leg. I'm gonna keep going, but you don't need to see it. I guess this is just the point of the review. As you can see, for the most part, it all came off in like one go, depending on how you apply it and how you pull it, and how hot it is. Not bad, I would say. The only thing is that you probably just gotta keep up with the wax itself. Until next time, guys. Next time is our video.